Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change direct deposit on Paycom. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Paycom app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the payroll tab in the main menu. Then choose direct deposit from the drop down. Then if updating an existing account, click clear fields to new old information. Then what you need to do is enter new bank details. Then select account type, enter the bank name, the routing number, account number, and then once done, check the box indicating your agreement to the direct deposit authorization agreement. Then once done, click here to sign in as employee and provide your signature. Then simply click on update to save your changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.